Hey, you're welcome. Let's quickly wrap this up together. Okay? Let's quickly wrap up this beautiful, cute head wrap. Let's wrap it together. Let's go. Let's get into the tutorials. Get your fabric. This is my fabric. I'm using a velvet sequence fabric, a very long strip velvet sequence fabric of about 15 inches long in width, sorry. Then the length, take any length of your choice. So I'm going to tie on the short end like so. This is the short end, so I'm tying on, and I have the long end here, so I'm tying it on. Tie on the short end and tuck it in properly. Okay, tuck it in properly at the back. So this is the front side now. You open the back side of your long end. This is the right side, this is the wrong side, the back side. So you take your paper, use any paper of your choice. You can use a marco, you can use calendar, you can use foam if you like. Get your paper ready and place it here. Place it on the back side of the fabric and roll it up. So after rolling it up, take it up again, take it round your head, slant it a little bit, then you take it on. You can see the side, this is the other side, and this is the cap, the paper cap. So here we have the end, the long end. So you can see here we have the long end. So I'm going to twist the long end, twist it, the long end, and place it on top of the paper. Place it on the paper. Arrange and tuck in. You can tuck in or you can hold it down with a pin, but I'm tucking it in into the paper cap, then hold it down. Let me hold it down with a pin. Hold it on with a pin. I think holding on with the pin will help secure it properly. The pin will secure it properly. So I'm holding it with a pin. Alright? And there you have it. Our simple cap wrap style. So here it goes. Yeah.